Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Your private life drama, baby, leave me out. Your private life drama, baby, leave me out. Your private life drama, baby, leave me. Jelly glond with your theatrics, your acting's a drag. It's okay on TV cause you can turn it off, but don't try me. Yes, your marriage is a tragedy, but it's not my concern. I'm very superficial, I hate anything official. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. No sentimental gestures only bore me to death. You've made a desperate appeal, now save your breath. Attachment to obligation through guilt and regret, shit that's so wet. And your sex life complications are not my fascinations. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Stop. Private life drama, baby, leave me out. Asked me for advice, I said use the door. But you're still clinging to somebody you deplore. And now you want to use me for emotional blackmail. I just feel pity when you lie, contempt when you cry.
Here we are on the train station car park, level 10. Glorious day today. On the old Chameleon today. I've got a drink of water actually, I'll get out and have that. It's got Vimto in it. Thought I could hear a train then, but no. Let's get this water out. There we are. Ice cold. So it's water, it's chase spring water with a bit of Vimto.